We are doing example number 6. This is very important question. This question could be asked for 4 to 5 marks. It's a long answer type of question, and in so many examination we can find this question. So this is very important question. In this question, sum of n terms of two different arithmetic progression. There are two different arithmetic progressions given to us, and their sum of first n terms and their ratio it is given to us. So starting from the given thing, s1 upon s2 is given to us, which is 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. Okay, so what we can write based on this? We have the Sn formula. So S first series, the first series of S is n by 2. Number of terms are the same, n by 2, into bracket 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon n by 2 into bracket 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. दो अलग अलग APs है तो उनके A1 और D1, A2 एंड D2 अलग होंगे. नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स तो दोनों के सेम ही है. So we would have this n by 2 cancel. So we would have 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. If I am taking 2 common from here, I will have a1 plus n minus 1 by 2 into d1 upon a2 plus n minus 1 by 2 d2 is equal to 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. This is our equation number 1. This relationship we got in the terms of n, a1, a2 and d1, d2. Now we require to find out the ratios of their 12th term. So we require to find out the ratio of 12th term. So we can write 12th term of an AP we required to find out twelfth term of first AP divided by 12th term of the second AP. So the formula for 12th term is A1 plus 12 minus 1 into D1 upon A2 plus 12 minus 1 to D2, which is equal to A1 plus 11 D1 upon A2 plus 11 D2. This is our second equation. Now we are comparing this with the left hand side of first equation, comparing 2 with left hand side of equation number 1. So we would have n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 11. यहाँ पर d1 के साथ क्या है, n माइनस 1 बाई 2. यहाँ d1 के साथ क्या है, 11. यहाँ d2 के साथ क्या है, n माइनस 2. यहाँ d2 के साथ क्या है, 11. सो दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट n. सो n कैसे मिलेगा, n माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 22. therefore n is equal to 22 plus 1. therefore n is equal to 23. Now putting n is equal to 23 in equation number 1, we will get our answer. Equation number 1 में हम n की जगह 22 डाल देंगे, so we will get our answer. So put n is equal to 23 in equation number 1. We have a1 plus 11d1 upon a2 plus 11d2 is equal to 3 into 23 plus 8 upon 7 into 23 plus 15. This gives us 69 plus 8 upon 161 plus 15. This gives us 77 upon 176. If we divide it by 11, 7 11s are and 16 11s are. So our ratio would be 7 upon 16. This is our answer. So first of all, what should we do? In this case, we first of all just have to do whatever the thing is given to us. The ratio of sum of the two series, that is s1 upon s2, which is given to us 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. Writing the formula s1 and s2, we will have n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 upon n by 2 into bracket 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2, which is 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. Then after simplifying, we will have the equation number 1 over here. Then whatever the things we are going to find out, that is the ratio of the first 12 terms of an AP. We have written the formula for first the 12th term, and then we got in the form of equation number 1, compared them, find the value of n and put it in the right hand side. So this is very important question, and such questions they are asking in different exams. So be careful, do it carefully and get the marks.